Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the BoxyCharm base box. So if you would like to see what I got in my BoxyCharm base box and see me do a look with whatever palette they sent, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay, so guys, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Belinda. I am a self-taught mature makeup artist here on YouTube. I like to do unboxings, tutorials, teaching techniques. I also like to do some skincare. I will test out some hair care products, and once in a while I will do a cooking video. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell and take it to all so you don't miss an upload. And if you are one of my OGs, thank you so much for coming back to spend some time with me today. You know I love you, baby. Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. So if you do not know about BoxyCharm, it is a monthly makeup subscription. You get 3 boxes to choose from. What was that? Just flew in front of my face. You get 3 boxes to choose from. The first one is the base box, this one that we're opening today, and that one is $27.99, and you get 5 full-size items from that box. And the next box is the Boxy Premium, and it is $39.99, and you get 6 full-size items in that box. And the last one is the Boxy Luxe, which is $59.99, and you get 8 full-size items out of that box. I really love my Ipsy. I love my BoxyCharm. If you are trying to build up a little bit of a makeup collection, this is the best way to do it. Because let me tell you, I had zilch. I had a couple palettes, a couple of mascaras, a foundation, and bits and pieces. And I started in with BoxyCharm first. Then I went to Ipsy, and I have been with Ipsy ever since. And then now I'm back with BoxyCharm. So you can build up a makeup collection so fast with a makeup subscription that comes once a month. And I will leave a link down in the description if you would like to join BoxyCharm. You can cancel anytime you like, and yeah, all you have to do is click the link and sign up. So let's get into this box. Alrighty. This month, everyone will be under your spell, BoxyCharm. So this is going to tell me a little bit about the Ciate London Spice Palette, a blend of highly pigmented metallics and mattes that work seamlessly with neutral mattes to add an epic spice to any makeup look. MSRP $39, and this is a new launch to BoxyCharm, so we will be seeing a lot more of Ciate London in our boxes. And this is what the palette looks like. So that's some pretty shades, some fall looking shades. Nice little palette, thick. And the next thing in the box is the Earth Harbor Naturals Celestine Hydra Plumping Peptide Serum. This right here. Get that goddess glow by hydrating and replenishing skin with 8 juicy botanicals. Hydrates include 3 molecular weights of plant-based hyaluronic acid for effectively filling each layer of skin. MSRP $45. And I did use this today before I put on my base, and I will put a clip of that in right here. It felt so nice, and it has such a nice scent to it. It's not overbearing, but it just smells so clean. And this is it. I really like this, and I'm glad to add that to my makeup collection to use. And then the next thing is the Some Institute Transport Exfoliation Glycolic Acid Pads. And I did get this in either BoxyCharm or Ipsy last month or this month. I'm not sure, but I'm going to put this into the giveaway. I've got to start posting that, but this will be going into the giveaway. And then the next one is this. The Toy Factory Super Set Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray. Your serum and setting spray are now one. That look you just created is about to last all day long, all night long, featuring hyaluronic acid to lock in your color payoff while you're cooling or coating your skin with a misty serum expertly formulated for all-day hydration and a dewy, soft, professional look. MSRP $24. This is a new launch to BoxyCharm. This is what it looks like. Looks pretty neat. We'll lock in what I've already done. And the next thing, Titan Breakfast Dewy Collagen Face Primer. And guys, I did use this before I put on my base, so I could use everything. So I will put a shot of me in here using this. In the tropics hit different. Think of this as your skin's morning collagen smoothie with plant and fruit extracts blended into a dewy milky serum to tone and prime your skin for the next stage of your routine. Build the perfect base for your makeup to glide over and bask in the glass skin glow that lasts all day long. MSRP $32. And guys, this was absolutely wonderful. It felt amazing on the skin. It smelled so good. I think my face looks really good today. So this is an absolute, I love this. And that's what it looks like. So now we are going to get in here and we're going to do a look with this palette. So I have already primed my lids with the Gerard Clean Canvas Eye Base in Fair. And if you go down in the description box, I have a link for this, and if you use my code BelindaMua, you will save 30% off purchase at checkout. It is an affiliate code, so I do make a small commission off of that. So now, I don't remember if I've ever used a Ciate London palette. I think if I did, it was a small one. I don't know how the pigment is, but we're going to see. Let me do some swatches. Okay, here is the swatches. These are the last row, these 3 right here, but it starts out right here. That's a really pretty one right there. And there's a peach one right there. I like that one. I like that one. So let's jump into this and do a look. And I'm just going to place this, pat it over the eye. Okay, the next color I'm going to go in with, I think, is this burgundy. And I'm just tapping that on an E28 brush. And I'm just working that into my crease. So I'm going to put this right there. So that was some nice shimmer, covered that perfectly. And then we're going to go into this white. Put that right here. Okay guys, here is the look. I'm going to jump off here and clean up, do some liner and lashes and a lip and some blush, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. I finished the eye look. I'm wearing the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Pure Lashes. The eye look came out pretty good. It's really fall. It's giving very thick fall vibes. And for my lip, I used the Gerard Cosmetics Buttercup, Mai Tai, and then for the lip liner, it's the NYX Nude. I didn't really want to go dark with the lip. But yeah, this is the look that I created with the BoxyCharm base box for October. I don't think that I have used any Ciate London shadows, honestly. I know that I have one in my giveaway. It performed really well. They were pigmented, they blended out, good palette. Glad that I finally tried Ciate London's eyeshadow palette. I have tried some other things from Ciate London and loved it. So I absolutely, positively, 100% love this. This will be going on my face every day. Absolutely, positively love this. This is just, mwah, loved it. Today I did use my Purlisse Dragon Fruit Moisturizer. I did love this. It smells really nice. It was a really nice box. These are going into the giveaway because I just opened some, so I have some in the bathroom. But yes, this was a good box. Let me know down in the comments, do you get BoxyCharm? And if you do, did we get a similar box? Did you like your box? What did you get your box that you wish you would have got from watching other unboxings? And if you don't get BoxyCharm and you would like to try BoxyCharm, there will be a link down in the description. And on an iPhone, it's right under right where the screen is. There's a little arrow down. You click it and it opens up a whole description. On a computer, it says show more. So it'll be down there for you to sign up for BoxyCharm and pick your favorite box. I honestly think the Boxy Luxe is the best value, but all of them are good. You don't have to go with what I think is the better value, but I did enjoy thoroughly my Boxy Luxe last month. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you liked this look that I did with the Ciate London Spice palette. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern mama, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.